Namaskaram Hema Gupta, welcome back. Namaskaram Shweta, Namaskaram Ketan, Namaskaram Kunal. Welcome to the 10-minute guided meditation. Namaskaram Shravan, Shashank. Welcome to the 10 minutes guided meditation session. Hi, Namaskaram Shravan. Hello. It's so fantastic to see a lot of people coming in. Hi, Namaskaram Shweta Malishate. How have you been? How are you? Namaskaram Prakhar, Namaskaram Avinash, Namaskaram Niyaz. I see a lot of people are jumping in. We will wait for a couple of minutes for everyone to jump in. And before we start, there will be a couple of instructions that you need to take care of. For the meanwhile, those who are live, please let me know in the comment section if you are coming here for the first time and what are you expecting tonight. What are you expecting for the next 10 minutes? Put down in the comment section and also put down which part of India or which part of the world are you coming from. Namaskaram Punya Prava, it's so fantastic to see you again. Please let me know in the comment section which part of the India or which part of the world you are coming from, or what are you expecting tonight. We will get started soon. Let us wait a couple of minutes for everyone to jump in. Great. Shashank is from Andhra Pradesh. Shankar is from Uttarakhand. Sarthak is from Mumbai. Fantastic, fantastic. We are seeing different states, different parts of India being covered tonight. Shweta, hi Shweta. Yes, you are from Karnataka. Punya Prabha is from Odisha. I see one or two people coming again since last time. We had these meditation sessions for 21 nights continuously long before, somewhere towards August and September. Namaskar. Great. Suspicious B has joined. Kunal Dhaibar is coming from Gujarat. Hi. Namaskaram. Hi Prakhar Shurvanshi from Bhopal. Namaskaram. Welcome to the night session. Hi Rohit from Assam. Fantastic. That is just fantastic. Gaurav again coming from Uttarakhand. Shravan Kalyan coming from Australia. Hi brother. Yes, Mrunal after a long time. Bhavin coming from Gujarat. Hi, Namaskaram. Glad to see. Great. Kunal is coming here for the first time. Suspicious B is from Andhra Pradesh. Great. Fantastic. Surat. Great. Drashti is coming from Surat. Yeah, Shravan, Australia. Yes, Gautam is coming from Rajasthan. Yes, fantastic. We have covered east, west, north and south. Great. Well, people, let me introduce and let's get started. I am Hitesh Goyal and I run this page and this community, The Weekend Yogi. I am here tonight to give out a guided 10 minutes meditation session. It will be somewhere around 10 to 12 minutes. And you wouldn't believe the last time when we did our meditation session for 21 nights straight, we had done more than 3 to 4 hours of guided meditation. It was a fantastic time, yes, and I see a lot of people coming back again. So yeah, I hope we shall be doing great tonight as well. Well, so those who are coming here for the first time, there will be a few instructions I'll give you out. Please listen to them carefully. Great. So for the instructions, those who are coming for the first time, please make sure you are in a sitting position. Let's say when you are sitting, your back is straight, your spine should be comfortably erect. It should not be too tightly erect, or it should not be too slouchy. It should be just comfortably erect. And also make sure your palms are facing upwards towards the sky and are placed on your laps. You can even sit on a chair, or you can sit on your bed, or wherever you are sitting. Just make sure you're in a sitting position, keep your spine comfortably erect and your palms facing upwards. And also, you do not need to look at the screen when I am guiding you. You will be just flowing with my voice. You just have to follow my voice. I'll be guiding you through certain process. There'll be a soothing music playing at the background. Just stick with it. And yes, I see a lot of comments coming out here. Yes, I'll take them one by one. And please, anyone has any kind of doubts or any clarification is needed, please let me know in the comment section. I will wait for a couple of seconds for everyone to reply back. Any doubts with the instructions, please let me know in the comment section. I'll address them one by one. Thank you. Great. Shrikant, hi. Welcome. Hi, Shiv Panj. Hi. Namaskaram. Great. I believe no one has any kind of doubts. So, if all of you are ready for tonight's meditation session, please put a thumbs up in the comment section or show me some hearts. This hearts or this thumbs up can help me a lot. I'll get started. This meditation is not at all difficult. It is just sitting, doing nothing, and that is the best thing, that you are not doing anything. These 10 to 12 minutes are just for yourself, no one else. Kindly let me know in the comment section. Okay, Harsh is giving me a thumbs up. Lovepreet Kalwania is giving me thumbs up. Kunal is so excited with 3 thumbs ups. Akanksha Patil, great, thumbs up. Gautam Sen, I'll take your question towards the last. Please make sure you post it again. Suspicious B is ready. Rohit is ready. It's HVB is coming tonight again. Paveen Achar is ready as well. I am Aroda. Yes, great. I'm so sorry, guys. I just have an camera issue. Please let me know in the comment section if you are ready. Great. Gautam Sen is ready as well. Shiv Punj is ready as well. Okay, so let's get started. Be in a... So when I am guiding you, I will be putting off the comment section. You do not need to look at the mobile screen. You just need to follow my voice. I'll guide you through. Okay. I'm putting off the comment section now. Great. In your own time, taking your own time, gently and slowly close your eyes. Keep your spine comfortably erect, palms facing upwards, and your shoulders should be relaxed. Close your eyes and lower your gaze. Follow my voice. I will take you through the next steps. Take a deep inhalation through your mouth. अपने मुंह से एक गहरी सांस लीजिए. And exhale slowly and gently. Inhale slowly from your nostrils and exhale slowly and gently through your mouth. Breathe in calm, balance, ease, peace, and stillness. Relax your forehead, relax your eyes, relax your shoulders, relax your arms, and just flow with my voice. The next 8 to 10 minutes are just yours. Take a deep inhalation through your nostrils and exhale slowly through your mouth. Take one more deep breath and exhale slowly through your mouth. Watch your forehead, your eyes, your shoulders relaxing completely. Keep a gentle focus on your breath. Keep a gentle focus and awareness on my voice. Let's begin our journey for tonight. Let's begin our thoughts for tonight. I want you to rewind your complete day you had. What you had in the morning, how you started your morning. Just take your mind and attention to the morning you had today. Just watch what you had been doing in the morning. Take a deep inhalation through your nostrils and exhale gently through your mouth. Now slowly go to the afternoon. What happened in the afternoon today? How was it? What did you eat? What kind of thoughts you had in the afternoon? Recall everything. Recall whom you had been talking with. Maybe your family, someone special, anyone. And relax. Keep a gentle smile on your face and move forward towards the evening. What you did in the evening today? Did you went out Did you go out for playing, for a walk, for talking, for some sports, or you were relaxing at your home, enjoying the weather? Keep a gentle smile on your face and inhale deeply through your nostrils and exhale through your mouth. Breathe in calm, balance, ease, peace and stillness. Now visualize how you wish to sleep tonight. What kind of thoughts you want to carry before sleeping. Just visualize yourself sleeping calmly and easily. Just visualize. Take a deep inhalation and exhale gently through your mouth. Your mind may be wandering, may be going here and there, but gently bring it back to my voice, or bring back the attention to your breath. Inhale deeply through your nostrils and exhale. Keep a gentle smile on your face, and in your own time, taking your own time, in your own pace, open up your eyes. Gently open up your eyes and Namaskaram. Welcome back again, everyone. Please let me know in the comment section how are you feeling right now. How was tonight's guided meditation session for you? And let me tell you, all of you had your eyes closed for 11 minutes. Isn't it fantastic? Please let me know in the comment section how was the meditation session for you. I'll be waiting for your lovely feedbacks, opinions. Great. Taking your own time, open up your eyes. And please let me know in the comment section how did you like it. Fantastic. Prakhar says fantastic, great. Tushar says positive, fantastic. That's so great. Paul Chetak is saying wonderful, great. Sunil Rane saying relaxing. Thank you, Preet. Good. Strong is new beautiful says it was relaxing. Thank you. Akanksha Patil is saying feeling good. Let me tell you everyone, this is all just because of you. This all thanks belong to you. I want you to say thankfulness and I want you to put some gratitude to your own self. You took this step to help yourself. You spend your lovely 10 minutes. Just say thank you to yourself. I'm just a mediator. Just say thank you to yourself. Okay. Thank you, Akash. Right? It's so fantastic to see you after a long time, brother. Great. So, yeah, thank you, Tushar. It is just all for all of us. It is just all because of the fact that we are spending time with ourselves. Isn't it great that हम पूरे दिन में अपने साथ कोई time spend नहीं करते हैं? Not even 5 minutes. Yes, we are not doing it. This is the conscious time we are doing it, isn't it? Great. Rohit is saying amazing. Almighty Abhishek. Hi Abhishek, how was you? He's saying nice bro, thank you. Kunal Dhahibar is saying yes. It's such a lovely comment by Kunal. Please everyone read. He's saying that कब हमारे 11 मिनट चले गए, he didn't even realize. That's fantastic. Shraddha is saying peaceful and relaxing. Yes, it was. It will be always whenever we are coming online and we are doing this. Great. So everyone, people, we have been uploading this guided meditation session on my YouTube channel with the same name, The Weekend Yogi. And even you can go to the website weekendyogi.com. आप वहाँ पर email अपना subscribe कीजिए. You will be able to receive all these meditation sessions on your email directly. You will be able to have the replays. And that's great. Okay, so let's start taking some questions now. Please put down your questions, your doubts. I'll just spend 2 to 3 minutes if you have any kind of questions. Okay, Gautam Sen is saying meditation से हमारी body की healing power increase कर सकते हैं क्या? Okay. I wouldn't say anything on this, Gautam. I am not sure because in my own experience there is nothing like I have seen कि healing power बढ़ जाती है या घट जाती है. I wouldn't say meditation is all about that. Okay, yeah, great. I'll be waiting for any other questions because there is some delay when I'm speaking and when this is playing on your devices. So yes, there will be a natural feedback delay here, but still I'll wait for a couple of seconds. Yeah, please put down your questions, your doubts, or anything you want to say in the comment section below. Okay. Thank you. Okay, so let me take this device and Shraddha is saying peaceful and relaxing. Okay, Bhavin is saying thank you, this is great health. Okay, it's HVB, no worries if you have missed the meditation session. I'll be uploading the guided meditation session on our YouTube channel or on our website weekendyogi.com. Okay, Tushara is asking how to stop overthinking through meditation. Tushara, meditation is not such a thing that will help you stop overthinking. Meditation is actually overthinking in one sense and it's underthinking in one sense. So don't treat meditation as a medicine to help you on something. It's just about the fact that the internet says meditation is one such thing to help you overcome anxiety, depression, but no, let me tell you, when you do it daily, you spend time with yourself daily, you bring and create some awareness, some self-awareness and consciousness. That actually helps you take control of your thinking and thoughts, emotions, decisions, everything, right? So don't think of meditation as a medicine, or a one-shot solution. Okay? Great. Gautam Sen, thank you. Almighty Abhishek is asking beneficial to meditate in mornings or night. I would say, Abhishek, जब भी आपको time मिले, whenever you get time, just do it that time. Nothing specific about morning, night, afternoon, evening. Whenever you get 10 to 15 minutes of spare time, just do it. Okay, Vinay is asking how to get relaxed when we are stressed out. Okay, so Vinay, there are two things I'll tell you. Whenever you are feeling stressed out, try this technique. I'll put down in the comment section. This is Wim Hof breathing technique. So I have been personally doing it whenever stressed out and whenever I am starting my day as well. So it helps a lot. And there is one more video on our Instagram channel by the name Simha Kriya, the lion Kriya. Just check about that. You will be able to gain better perspective on how to just quickly come out of go in a relaxing state whenever you are stressed out. Wim Hof breathing technique. Okay, I have put down in the comment section for you. Just check. Okay, Dhaya Robin is asking, okay. Sunil Rane is asking how to control anger. I told you, Sunil Rane is not, just try to use some self-awareness tools such as yoga, such as some physical exercise, such as some mental exercise. That will help you create and exercise your self-awareness. And when you are self-aware, you will never want to be stressed out, or you will never want to be in angry mode. I think so. So bring some self-awareness. Start doing some yoga or some physical exercise and some spending time with yourself. Spending time with yourself means yourself, nothing else. Yeah, I think that should help you. Okay, Tushara is asking which meditation to do for overthinking. Okay, there is nothing like negative thoughts, I would say. Okay, a thought for you may be negative in some perspective, would be positive for me, isn't it? Correct? So there's nothing like negative thought, but I would say what meditation to do, there's nothing specific meditation. Just start spending time with yourself. You will know over time what to do. Okay, Vinay is asking how to be very conscious. Okay, don't be very conscious, just enjoy your life. Just see how you are doing everything and just see and try exercising some self-awareness tools. I personally do yoga, I personally do some physical exercise, I personally train my mind with some breathing techniques. That will help you a lot. Daya Robin asking, can I join you, sir? Please don't call me sir. I'm no sir, Robin. Yes, Abhishek is saying Wim Hof works. He's tested it. Yes. Prats Mishra is saying congratulations. Okay, thank you very much. Pratishtha, how are you? Okay, Choco Chin is asking, I always feel asleep while meditation. What to do? Okay. Choco, so I would say with practice, you will get to be better and best when you are meditating. Okay. Meditation is just, it's just a quality, like it's just a practice, it's a skill, it just keeps on improving. And try starting with small chunks of meditation. Don't directly start from doing 1 hour of meditation, half an hour of meditation. No, just start doing 3 minutes, then 5 minutes, and then 10 minutes, and then 15 minutes. Okay, great. Daya Robin, yes, Wim Hof technique rocks as always. Shraddha is asking, what happened if we stop meditation? There's nothing happening if you stop meditation. Nothing will happen if you start meditation. Nothing will stop if you stop meditating. So just relax. There's nothing like you will see such great results doing meditation, right? Okay, Nisha is asking how to do yoga. Please put down this message. Anyone wants to attend yoga classes, we have trained yoga teachers. हमारे पास trained yoga teachers हैं, वो आपकी मदद कर सकते हैं. They conduct group classes, personal one-to-one yoga classes, and there are a lot of yoga techniques as well. Okay, please let me know, I'll connect you with the teachers, right? Okay, great, fantastic. Satyajit is asking how to break daily thought pattern into new pattern. I don't know what do you mean by new pattern. Again, a thought pattern will always stay a thought pattern only. Whatever way you mold it, जैसा भी आप उसको change करें. निशा प्लीज़ हमें द वीकेंड योगी चैनल पे डायरेक्टली मैसेज कीजिए. वी विल बी एबल टू विल बी हैप्पी टू रिप्लाई यू बैक. Choco Chin is asking visualization and meditation same or not. I would say, Choco, I haven't read anywhere, but in my experience, I think visualization is part of meditation. Like something like आप visualize करके एक meditation कर सकते हैं, आप non-visualization पे कर सकते हैं. So it's just type of meditation. Visualization is kind of meditation. So they are different in the sense, but yeah, not same. Okay. Yes, Rudra Sharma, long time. It's HVB is asking how to increase focus in works. Okay. So there is one technique told to me by and tested by Almighty Abhishek. Here, Abhishek. There is one technique known as Pomodoro technique, जिसमें आप 30 मिनट्स या 45 मिनट्स के लिए काम कीजिए और उसके बाद 10 मिनट्स अपने आप को रिवॉर्ड कीजिए. सो यू वर्क फॉर 45 मिनट्स इन अ सिंगल स्ट्रेच एंड रिलैक्स फॉर 10 मिनट्स. So you kind of are rewarding your mind every time you're working, right? So your brain gets trained to work well and work more diligently. Hence you become more productive. Just try it. Pomodoro technique. Okay, Shrikant is asking, I want yoga for back. Please message me in the DM. I'll help you. Give me a personal DM here on the Weekend Yogi channel. Sunil Rane, yoga for flexibility. Yes, it is there, but it depends on which stage are you. Okay. Okay, Pratishta, thank you so much. And yes, thank you so much. Okay, great. Okay. Please read some comments from Abhishek Almighty. He's saying that Pomodoro technique के लिए you have to do 10 minutes and then stop 3 minutes, then 10 minutes and then 3 minutes. That kind of puts you in a iterative cycle जो आपको हमेशा आगे बढ़ने के लिए काम आएगी. और this is how you can stretch the timing 10 minutes to 15, 30, 45 and whatever you like. Great. So I believe, guys, we have been having this live for such a long time. It's already 30 minutes. Please make sure you hydrate yourself. Drink half a glass of water after this. And any kind of queries, please put down in the DM section. And subscribe to our YouTube channel if you really like these meditation sessions. I'm putting all these sessions there. Okay. See you, everyone. Namaskaram and good night. This is Hitesh Goel from the Weekend Yogi.